Hello friends, my name is Aditi and today I am going to tell you a story. Today's story is Dorthi's Special Doll. So let's start. Dorthi was the daughter of a humble carpenter. Her family had little money, so she didn't have many toys. One day, while walking through the market, she saw a little girl receiving a beautiful doll from her father. Watching this, Dorothy's eyes filled with tears, and she ran home. Why can't I? Why can't I have a fancy doll like that? She cried to her mother. Her mother gently comforted her and said, "Don't be sad, dear. Your father will get you a doll tomorrow." That night, Dorothy's father worked tirelessly carving a wooden doll with his own hands. By morning, the doll was ready. With a warm smile, he handed it to his daughter. But Dorothy frowned. "I don't want this. I wanted a fancy doll, not a plain wooden doll one," she said. Just then, she noticed the bandages on her father's hands. A wave of guilt washed over her. He had hurt himself while making the doll just for her. Tears welled up in Dorothy's eyes as she hugged the wooden doll and then her father. "This is the best doll in the world," she whispered. Moral: appreciate the love and the effort behind every gift. If you like our video, like, share, and for more videos, please subscribe to our channel.